Hey, I'm Gunnarolla and I'm here today in Yaowarat, which is Chinatown in Bangkok, Thailand. If you're looking for affordable, delicious, authentic street food, this is a spot to check out. Let's eat! In Yaowarat, you'll find all the staples of Chinese and Thai cuisine, from hot to cold dishes, all prepared fresh to order. If you're looking to beat the heat, it's best to visit during the evening hours. Street-side restaurants are open late and food carts begin setting up at sundown. There's ample seating outside every shop, but the best way to experience this vibrant neighborhood is to wander. Here are 5 things to try. It doesn't sound too exciting, but fried rice, also known as khao pad, hits differently in Thailand. It's made fresh to order with eggs, veggies, seasoning, oils, and a bit of char. Toss in some shrimp or crab and some chilies, and you've got yourself a delicious and filling meal. Thailand's geographic location makes it perfect for quality seafood, and in Yaowarat, you can get pretty much anything fresh off the grill within minutes. Birdsnest is known as the caviar of Asia, and it's served hot or cold in soup form. It's a sweet delicacy in Thailand and is believed to have many health benefits. With the heat and humidity in Southeast Asia, even at night, anything with ice is a welcome refresher. You'll find a variety of drinks made to order with coconut and fruit flavors topped with grass jellies.
It's already melted.
There's an abundance of fresh fruit available on nearly every street corner, but mango served with sticky rice and topped with condensed milk is the ultimate Thai dessert. And if you're brave enough, you could swap the mango for durian. It has a very distinctive smell. So those are our picks for some things to try in Yaowarat. Got a favorite? Let us know. See you next time. À la prochaine.